Bonjour everyone! Today I'm excited to show you guys this video because I am in collaboration with KTY Sausage Company. They have provided me with Hmong sausage so I can show you guys how to utilize Hmong sausage in two different ways. So the first recipe I'll be making is the Lao crispy rice salad, and the second one is going to be Hmong sausage spring rolls with a peanut butter dipping sauce. Obviously my favorite way to eat Hmong sausage is just grilled over charcoal grill. Eat it with sticky rice or white rice and dip it in a pepper sauce. And thank you for KTY Sausage Company for providing me with these Hmong sausage. They deliver Hmong sausage around the United States. So if you guys want more details in the description on their company and where they deliver it to, I'll put two links down below on their Facebook and Instagram page, so check them out. So yeah, let's go cook some Hmong sausage and use it in the crispy rice salad and spring roll. So let's go. I'm super excited. Thank you for KTY Company for collaborating with me and providing me the sausage. Let's go. Okay, let's go. So this is what the sausage looks like. They were delivered to me here and just like a spiral shape like this. And this one's spicy and this one's not spicy. So I got two versions and I've been cooking it over a charcoal grill for a while now until it is fully cooked. And the best way I prefer to cook Hmong sausage is definitely over a charcoal grill. It just has better flavor, especially coming off that charcoal. And yeah, you guys can definitely cook this in the oven or however way you like it, but you can't go wrong over charcoal. It's just that good. But yeah, I'll be cooking this, and once it's cooked we'll go inside and cut it, and then we'll use it in our recipe. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna make the rice balls. So in this bowl I have some jasmine rice that's been cooled, and I'm gonna season it now. So the first thing I'm gonna add is some fish sauce, 1 egg. This is red curry paste. This is palm sugar that I have finely chopped up. And this is freshly grated coconut meat. Going to add in some salt. This is some lime leaves that I finely minced up. Super fun like that. And then I'm just going to mix it. Okay, so that's good. Okay, so this is pretty much well mixed. Now I'm gonna take about a small handful like this and make it into a ball so that we can fry it. You guys can make it into a smaller ball if you guys want it more crispy, but I'm just gonna do it about my palm size right here. Just like that. And just continue doing it until you use up all the rice. Pretty much it. Okay, so I made about 11 balls here. You can make about 11 to 12 balls, is perfectly enough. And then we're just gonna go and fry it. Pretty easy. Okay, so it's ready to fry. What I'm gonna do is, in here I have about 1/3 of a cup of water and 1/3 of a cup of rice flour, mix it together. And we're gonna take this ball that we made here earlier and we're just going to dip this around here. This kind of protects the rice and also from sticking to the bottom when you're frying it. So there's that, and then we're gonna drop it in. Alright, so it's been cooking for about 5 to 8 minutes, and this is what it looks like. Nice and still rounded. So we'll take that out and we're gonna go mix up the salad. How exciting. Okay, so since we finished frying up the rice balls, we're gonna make the dressing. So in a bowl, I'm going to add in some palm sugar, lime juice here, some fish sauce. Here I have some garlic minced up. This is ground chili flakes. You can add as much as you like. So now, since the dressing is done, we're going to take the rice balls that we fried up earlier. Look at that. So beautiful. And basically all we're gonna do is take these and we're just gonna crumble it. See that? Alright, so pretty much finished crushing all the rice in here. It's pretty much done. Now we're going to add in the herbs, and so things I have here are green onions, cilantro, mint, culantro, some basil here. This is some shallots, peanuts, and thinly sliced ginger. So we're going to add all of this into the rice. So ginger, green onions, cilantro, peanuts. And here, this is the sour pork. If you guys go to the Asian market, they usually will sell it like this in this little nice log. So you can just buy one of these and cut it up into smaller pieces. So I'm just gonna use about that much in there. And then the rest I'll add some Hmong sausage in there. So we're gonna add that in there. And in the Hmong sausage, what I'm gonna do is, so I'm gonna take one of these and I'm just gonna rip it apart because I like chunks in there. So if you guys want, you guys can also slice it. I'll show you guys how to slice it in there as well. So you guys can slice it like this too in there. And then we're just gonna add it. All right, so now we're just going to mix it. And then that's pretty much done. You can taste it and add more lime, more fish sauce, or more pepper if you guys want to. And then we'll plate it with some lettuce and some more pepper, and that's pretty much it. But look at that, it looks so good. Oh my god. Let me give you. All right, so I have a plate here with some lettuce on it. So now we are going to plate this. Add this in here. And then add a few peppers on here just in case people wanted more to eat with it. And this is pretty much done. Look at that. Super easy, super tasty. And we made it with Hmong sausage. Oh. So basically how I eat this is I'll take a piece of lettuce right here and we'll grab a scoop of this, add it on here, and maybe a piece of sausage on it extra. Fold it up and just eat it like a lettuce wrap.